Alright, we out here in the park in Harlem, chilling out. Might have a little smoke. Got the bike, my girl got the other bike, and I figured why not do a little work while we out here. So as you know, as I showed you in the other video, this is all corroded because it's been sitting outside, and this as well. And this is steel or chrome. So I'm sure you've seen a bunch of videos where you take aluminum and water. They say Coca-Cola, you just need water. You don't need, Coca-Cola does nothing special. You just need water because it's a chemical reaction. But anyways, it takes off the corrosion. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you a little spot right here, just to give you an example. Let's see. So simply just take this, a little bit of this magic lube. Put this top back on. And rub. You can see the brown smudging around already. I like to try to keep it as flat as possible. And technically, I don't think it can scratch because I think it's not hard as metal, but I don't like the feeling. So I try to just keep it as flat as possible just in case. Makes me feel better. But this is the type of thing you gotta look out for and you have to understand when looking at bicycles online. If you can see through this, meaning if you can do a little work, if you know about this process and you see a bike that looks like this, then you know that the end result can be something this, you know what I'm saying? Just for now, this is just like 2 seconds of work laying on the ground too, mind you. Probably gonna switch position in this a little bit, make this easier for myself, but right now just thought I'd give you a demonstration. So yeah, so I found this to this, and shit, that's good enough for me. And if you see, this is no really corrosion here on the nipples and spokes, so this is good. It's oxidized but no corrosion. So now I'm just gonna try it on this. I'm just curious to see how well it works on this, because I believe this is chrome. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit, and then after that I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the wheels. This, what I just showed you, same exact thing, just water and some aluminum foil. Yeah, it seems to be working. Maybe that's easier. I'm just literally just rubbing aluminum foil and water on the metal. That's it. Let's get these corners. Damn, it's crazy, right? Got a little in the background. So just like that. Now obviously I can do a little more. I gotta clean up a little bit. I think metal, I'm not sure how metal polish works on chrome, but I believe it works pretty decent, so it might be able to polish this even a little more. But yeah, maybe give you a demonstration on one of these. Actually, I want to give you a demonstration on this. Okay, I'll give you a demonstration on this part right here, just to show you how effective this is. definitely a pain in the ass to get in there. Probably gonna have to fold up a piece and get up in there a little bit better. But again, I'm saying, bro, I'm not even sure if you could see that had a name at this point. Before that, so yeah, look at the reflection. It's not that bad. And then let's see. I'm not sure if this, again, like some of these marks might come out. It looks like some water stains, some of it. So, which obviously it is because it caused it to rust in the first place. But so the polish should be able to take out some of that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the bike, and I'm gonna show you the end results. Again, when looking for bikes, these are little things that you need to know. And presentation is everything, but not only presentation, preservation. So clean it up, make it look nice, make it last for other generations, and let somebody else enjoy it, or ride it for yourself. Peace. Oh, a little bit of elbow grease can go a long way. This is the same everything on the last bike on this bike. Just aluminum foil the hell out of these. Everything I could. I still don't have no polish. Still gotta wipe it down. There's some stuff on this paint back. Like I don't know if that's just let me see if I can focus. Let's see. Like right here, where it's like I guess it's embedded in the paint. So I gotta figure out maybe clay bar it. I do have a clay bar. Maybe that'll work. But it's hard. I don't know. And then it's here. This looks like grease. Maybe I just have to let some degreaser stay in it longer. But yeah, that's also not coming off too easy. So anyway, I just wiped it down. Other than just getting rid of the like you see, I didn't really get in here crazy. Still got a little more to do, but yeah, I mean, look at the difference, homie. Obviously not perfect, but it's perfect. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. This is just, I think, beyond, and I can't really get in there too. No struggle. I don't really care. It's not that big of a deal to get in there. But yeah, I'm rolling right now.